Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is growth and depreciation. Growth and depreciation. Exercise 2C. Exercise 2C from the book Innovative Math. Innovative Math. Last class I have completed number 4. Up to number 4. Just see number 5 what is given here. The population of a country is estimated to increase by 15% each year. Sorry, 15 not 15, 5% each year. If its population a certain year was 150 lakh, estimate population after 2 years, giving your answer correct to nearest 1000. Okay, 150 lakh for a certain year. After 2 years, you have to find out what is the population. If the rate of growth given 5%. Number 5. Question number 5. What is given here? First slide given. Present population. Present population. It is given 150 lakh. 150 lakh. That means here 150 lakh. A rate of growth given 5% per annum, per year, and time given 2 years. After 2 years, what is the population that you have to find out after 2 years? Okay. So in this question number 5, what is given? Present population given 150 lakh, rate of growth, rate of increase 5% per year, time given 2 years. Now you have to apply the formula here. V is equal to V0, growth means plus 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. This is the formula required for growth. Therefore V means final population, V0 is 150 lakh. 1 plus R means 5 by 100 whole to the power, time given 2 years. It is coming, that means 150 lakh. This is coming 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. There are 40, 20, 20, 40, you have to cancel. 40 cancel. What is left here? 1500 into 105 into 105. Just you have to multiply this is the population after 2 years. You have to multiply how much coming this 6. 1500 means 105 into 105 into 1500. How much coming? It is coming 165 lakh 37,500. Initially it was 150 lakh. Now after 2 years it will become 165 lakh 37,500. This is the final population after 2 years. And this is the answer of number 5. Let us go number 6. Next number. Question number 6. How many years will it take a population of 1,25,000 to grow to 1,48,877 at an annual growth rate 6%? Growth rate given, initial population given, final population given, but number of years not given. That you have to find out. Just see. Find how many years. Means here you have to apply. I am directly writing it here. Here V is equal to V means final population 1,48,877. Initial population it was 1,25,000, and a rate of growth given 6% per annum. This is the thing given, and you have to find out time. Now V is equal to V0 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Then V is how much? 1,48,877 divided by V0 divided 1,25,000 is equal to 1 plus what is the rate? 6%. 6 by 100 whole to the power n. Okay. From here you have to find out time. 6 means it will go by 3, 2, 2, 3 is 6, 250. Means it is coming 53 by 50 whole to the power n. This means. And you have to see this is nothing but 50 whole cube. If you multiply 53 times, this will be 125. Just see. Here you have to study the question. See, right hand side coming 53 by 50 whole to the power n, and here 50 if you multiply 3 times, this will be 1,25,000. That means this will be automatically 53 whole cube. 53 by 50 whole cube. 53 by 50 whole to the power n. If you multiply 53 times, this will be 1,48,877. You can check up your own. And if you multiply 53 times, and 50 into 50 into 50, this will be 1,25,000. Comparing both sides, n is equal to 3. N is equal to means 3 years. So after how many years the population will be 1,40,000? After 3 years. The answer is after 3 years. Next question I am going number 7. Number 7 question given. In how many years? Just to see. In how many years will it take rupee 25,000 to grow rupee 32,490 at a steady annual growth rate 14%? Present value given means final given 32,490, growth rate given 14%. Number of years not given. Just to see. So in this question given, first you write V is equal to means final value rupee 32,490. Present value given V0, that is given 25,000. Growth rate, annual growth rate given. Annual growth rate equal to how much given? That is R is equal to 14% per annum. Annual growth means per annum. Now you have to apply time not given. Now V is equal to V0 as it is given growth rate 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. You have to apply this formula. Here V is equal to how much? 32,490 and V0 given 25,000 whole to the power 1 plus rate given how much? 14%. 14 by 100 whole to the 10. Time not given. You have to find out time. Now it just divide 32,490 divided by 25,000. 1 0 cancel here, and it is coming how much? It will go by 2, 27, 250. It is coming 57 by 50 whole to the power n. And this side coming 2,500 means 50 whole square. 50 whole square, and this will be 57 whole square. 57 by 50 whole square is equal to 57 by 50 whole to the power n. Comparing both sides, n is equal to coming 2 years. Means after 2 years, the final value will be 32,490 and initial value was 25,000. After how many years? After 2 years, the value will be 32,490. This is the technique you have to apply here. You have to see 2500 means 50 whole square. Automatically this will be 57 whole square. If you multiply 57 two times, the answer will be 3249. Okay. Up to 7 today I completed. Thank you for today class.